Hello and welcome to Football Collectibles.
Hello everyone.
Today we will make our box break number 3. We already have in our collection 278 cards. It's almost 63% completed. So Daniel, please open this pack and let's start. And while Daniel is opening, guys, we created our football simulator and it provides for us every match day of Champions League our own results. So it's like parallel university. So subscribe to our channel, watch unpacking videos, and let's have our own Champions League winner with our simulator. So watch the video, watch result and standings. So and let's start our box breaking. I hope we will add few more golden ballers to our collections. Daniel, let's start. And about our simulator app, it's on our YouTube channel also in playlist simulator, so go to watch it. And currently let's have new cards to our collection. I have, it will be at least 15 from this block, 50, but let's see. Daniel, do you remember it's all repeated cards? Yes, this one is new. Good. Kia the Magician. Murata Gundogan, who is already in Man City unexpectedly. Pack number 2. Bayern Munich. Jack Grealish. Do we have Grealish?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next one. Anoglu. And Friedman. I hope we wouldn't receive one more invincible, because from previous 2 packs, if you have been watching our 2 videos with box opening, in every box breaking we have an invincible card. So I hope today we will have more golden ballers. Wow, Noglu Magician card. Okay. Leao. We have Wirtz, we have Baller, Golden Baller Wirtz, Golden Baller Kane, and Invincible. Yes, Daniel? Okay. Do we have Holland or no?
Yes.
Golden Baller? Lautaro Martinez, nice card. De Ligt, but we already have him. Holland. Do we have him?
No.
Yes. No? Oh, it's good. Pulisic is really good now in Milan. Titan Milan. Rafinha is excellent this season. And one more minor. Still no golden baller. Leao. Emir. And Rodri. nice beige. We don't have Barcelona, yeah? We have.
Yes.
We have?
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately. This also we have. I think we have a lot of repeated cards. Wait, I will let you know how many new cards we received. No golden bowler again. Valde. Julian Alvarez. Yes, let us know how many cards already do you have in your collection. Probably you already completed your collection. How many packs did you need?
Wow.
Yes, this one new, very rare gold card, the best. It's nice. We have the best Messi in previous pack, and now we have this duo. Nice. Okay. Come on, golden bowler, golden bowler. Come on. I will make now magician. Yeah, it's work. I am a magician, real magician. I hope it will be different one, not the same that we have. Daniel, what magic did you do?
Maybe weirds.
We already have weirds. We don't need one more weirds. Again. We have 3 different rare cards. And we already have repeat of invincible and repeat of weirds. We are really unlucky. Yes, Daniel, it can be one more golden bowler in this pack, because in 2 previous packs we have 2 rare cards, one invincible and one golden bowler in every. So I hope it will be second golden bowler in this pack. And not invincible. It's you again, Wirtz. Come on, Daniel. Let us give us second golden bowler.
Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe rain, maybe sun.
Yes, yes. Interesting card. Oh, it's gold card, golden legacy.
Second Kane.
Yeah, again, a lot of repeats, I think. Two golden bowlers in one pack. Oh my god. 2 golden bowlers. Oh, it's impossible. Do you see this? Oh my god, I hope it will be too different. And I think it will be one invincible from them. Amazing, amazing pack. I imagine to buy one pack when you buying one pack in the shop and you got 2 golden ballers. Yeah, one is invincible and second, yeah, one more new golden baller to our collection.
Saka.
Hello, Bukayo Saka, and welcome. So it's really good. We have 2 golden ballers already and one invincible, and it was packed with 2 rare cards. Amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy. Even from, despite we have 2 repeated from 2 rare cards, but we have one more new card and we have 3 rare cards. Probably we will exchange with someone. And it's not the end. We will be very lucky. We will have more because previously we had maximum 2 golden baller in one box. Now we have already 3. 3 invincible. 3 box, 3 invincible. It's not too rare card as for me.
Second.
Saka again, hello. Very nice card. Currently we are opening, guys. Subscribe to our channel. It's really important for us. Your subscriptions inspire us to make even more videos, so don't hesitate to press this little button to subscribe, put on notifications, and let's collect with us. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate every watch. We are really happy with Daniel when we see that you really like it. And also about simulation app that I created and make videos, so try to watch it. I hope you will like it because it's our versus of Champions League and our results and standings. Initially we have the same participants that's already playing, we have the same match days, but it simulates our own results, so we will have our own standings, our own teams that will go to the next stages, and in May we will have our own winner. So watch our versus of Champions League with us, and if you think that we can upgrade something and improve in our simulator, so comment, because every match day I updated something.
4 packs.
4 packs left. Okay, but I don't wait that we will have one more golden baller because we already have 3 in this pack. It's really good result. Musiala, nice. Wow! Hello, David Beckham.
Beckham.
It's new one. We don't
Yes.
have Beckham. Yeah, cool.
Me like this.
Me too. I love Beckham. Beckham, really, really nice card. Cool. We have Buffon. We have Iniesta. Yes, Buffon, Iniesta,
And
someone more. Okay.
3.
Yes, we have 3.
3, maybe 4.
I
Cards legend.
I don't remember.
6 legend.
We have 3. Okay. We'll check later. but Beckham it's cool.
Three packs left.
Okay. Panini, you will make me surprised if you will give me one more golden baller in this box. Currently no. This new one, I think we don't have
No.
this. Again, one Mariah. And Milik also repeated.
Two packs left.
Oh, we have so many repeats. We will play some card games with these cards that are repeated. Previous collection we imagine some new card games with Daniel and play with repeat cards. If you're interested, we will tell you what games you can play with these cards.
One pack left. Wow.
You don't have him?
No.
It's new?
Yes.
Cool. So guys, box finished. In total we have 3 rare cards from this box. 2 repeated. Invincible, Wirtz, and Saka is new one. So good result. It's 3 rare cards in one box, 2 in one pack. It's some magic. So not bad. I hope we will get nearly 50 new cards to our collection. Now we will calculate them. So guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video and watch our simulator of Champions League. And see you soon. Bye.
Bye, everyone.